want to do a quick video. We found these at I think a Walmart, chicken and waffle. I think they're honey bunches of oats. They're limited edition, and I really just kind of wanted to try. I'm sorry, there's a movie playing right now, and I'm really actually curious as to what these taste like, and of course I'm going to be trying it with some milk. Well, that's a syrupy smell. Look at these. They're little chicken. I found the camera, little chicken things, and they got the waffles. That's interesting, actually. And then there's little flakes in here too. I'm gonna actually, I need to get a spoon. Not to worry, I have my spoon now. So I'm gonna pour some of this in here. I'm gonna try one dry actually first. There's a waffle. There's a little flake. Chicken. Oh wait, the chicken one tastes different. Let's try them all with the milk. Because that's the real test right here. 3, 2, 1. It actually tastes good. It's got like a syrup taste to it, which makes sense because it's chicken and waffles, but then like that's really unique. I like that. Use a little disclaimer. It says absolutely no chickens were harmed in the making of this cereal.